Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily, your guide to speaking English confidently in everyday life.
And I'm Tom, here to make learning practical and fun. Hello, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we explore real-life situations to help you use English naturally.
Today, we're diving into something relaxing, visiting the beauty salon.
Beauty salons are great places to pamper yourself with haircuts, facials, or manicures. But speaking English there can feel a bit challenging, especially in a new country.
No worries. We'll guide you through every step, starting with arriving at the salon, then booking services and asking about treatments with simple phrases to make it easy.
To make your visit smooth, check the salon's website for services and prices, and book an appointment in advance if possible. It helps you plan your day.
Ready to feel fabulous? Let's head to the beauty salon.
When you arrive at the beauty salon, greet the receptionist politely.
Say, "Hello, I'm here for a salon appointment."
Or, "Hi, where can I check in for my visit?"
If it's your first time, try, "Is this the right place for new clients?"
You might also ask, "Do I need to fill out any forms?"
And, "Where can I wait for my appointment?"
A polite greeting sets a great tone for your visit. Arrive a few minutes early to confirm your appointment and relax.
Once you're checked in, let's book or confirm a service. Let's talk about that next.
Booking a service helps you get the treatment you want at the right time.
Say, "Can I book a haircut for this afternoon?"
Or, "I'd like to confirm my facial appointment for tomorrow."
For specifics, try, "What times are available for a manicure?"
You might also ask, "Can I book a last-minute appointment?"
And, "How long does a pedicure appointment take?"
These questions help you plan your salon visit. Have your preferred date and time ready when calling to book.
If you're unsure about services, let's ask about them next.
Salons offer services like haircuts, facials, or waxing. Ask to find the right one.
Say, "What services do you offer at the salon?"
Or, "Do you have facials for sensitive skin?"
For specifics, try, "Can you do a deep conditioning hair treatment?"
You might also ask, "Are there special packages for multiple services?"
And, "Do you offer eyebrow threading?"
These questions help you choose the best service. Look at the salon's menu online to see all options before you go.
If you want a haircut, let's ask about that next.
Haircuts can refresh your look, but you need to explain what you want.
Say, "Can I get a trim for my hair?"
Or, How much is a haircut for short hair?
For specifics, try, can you cut my hair in layers?
You might also ask, do you have pictures of haircut styles?
And how long will a haircut take?
These questions ensure you get the style you want. Bring a photo of your desired haircut to show the stylist.
If you're interested in facials, let's ask about those next.
Facials clean and hydrate your skin for a healthy glow.
Say, can I get a facial today?
Or, what types of facials do you offer?
For specifics, try, is there a facial for acne-prone skin?
You might also ask, how long does a facial take?
And, will the facial include a massage?
These questions help you pick the right facial. Tell the esthetician about your skin type for the best results.
If you want a manicure or pedicure, let's ask about those next.
Manicures and pedicures keep your nails looking great.
Say, can I get a manicure and pedicure?
Or, do you offer gel polish for nails?
For specifics, try, how much is a basic manicure?
You might also ask, can I choose my nail polish color?
And how long does a pedicure last?
These questions help you get perfect nails. Bring your own polish if you want a specific color.
If you're curious about prices, let's ask about those next.
Knowing prices helps you budget for your salon visit.
Say, how much is a facial and haircut combo?
Or, are there any discounts for first-time clients?
For specifics, try, is there a student discount available?
You might also ask, do you have a loyalty program?
And can I see a price list for all services?
These questions keep your visit affordable. Check for seasonal deals or packages on the salon's website.
If you need products, let's ask about those next.
Salons sell products like shampoos or skincare items for home use.
Say, do you sell hair products for curly hair?
Or, can you recommend a moisturizer for dry skin?
For specifics, try, how much is this shampoo?
You might also ask, are these products safe for sensitive skin?
And do you have travel-sized products?
These questions help you find great products. Ask for samples to test products before buying.
If you're concerned about allergies, let's ask about that next.
Some salon products or treatments may cause reactions, so ask about safety.
Say, are your products safe for allergies?
Or, can you use hypoallergenic products for my facial?
For specifics, try, do your hair dyes contain ammonia?
You might also ask, can I test a product before using it?
And
What should I do if I have a reaction?
These questions keep your visit safe. Inform the staff about any allergies before your treatment starts.
If you want to cancel or reschedule, let's ask about that next.
Sometimes plans change, so know how to adjust your appointment.
Say, can I cancel my appointment for tomorrow?
Or, how do I reschedule my manicure?
For specifics, try, is there a fee for canceling?
You might also ask, can I reschedule for next week?
And do I need to call or can I reschedule online?
These questions make changes easy. Cancel or reschedule early to avoid fees and free up slots for others.
If you need aftercare tips, let's ask about those next.
Aftercare keeps your hair, skin, or nails looking great after treatments.
You might also ask, what should I do to care for my hair after coloring?
Or, how do I maintain my manicure at home?
For specifics, try, can I wash my face after a facial?
You might also ask, how often should I moisturize my skin?
And, are there products to extend my pedicure's life?
These questions help you maintain your treatment. Follow the stylist's advice to get the best results.
Before leaving, let's thank the staff for their help.
After your salon visit, thank the staff for their help. Say, thank you for the amazing haircut.
Or, I appreciate your help with my facial.
You can add, the service here was really great. Thank you.
If you're happy, try, this was so helpful. Thanks to you.
And I'll be back soon. Have a great day.
A polite goodbye leaves a positive impression. Leave a tip or a positive review online if you're satisfied.
Now, let's practice the phrases we've learned today. Let's practice key phrases to make them stick. Repeat after us.
I'm here for a salon appointment.
I'm here for a salon appointment.
Can I book a haircut for this afternoon?
Can I book a haircut for this afternoon?
What services do you offer at the salon?
What services do you offer at the salon?
Can I get a trim for my hair?
Can I get a trim for my hair?
Can I get a facial today?
Can I get a facial today?
Can I get a manicure and pedicure?
Can I get a manicure and pedicure?
How much is a facial and haircut combo?
How much is a facial and haircut combo?
Do you sell hair products for curly hair?
Do you sell hair products for curly hair?
Are your products safe for allergies?
Are your products safe for allergies?
Do you have facials for sensitive skin?
Do you have facials for sensitive skin?
Are there special packages for multiple services?
Are there special packages for multiple services?
Do you have pictures of haircut styles?
Do you have pictures of haircut styles?
What types of facials do you offer?
What types of facials do you offer?
Can I choose my nail polish color?
Can I choose my nail polish color?
Are there any discounts for first-time clients?
Are there any discounts for first-time clients? Wow, we've covered so much about visiting the beauty salon in English today.
From arriving at the salon to booking services and asking about treatments, you're now ready to pamper yourself with confidence.
Remember to be polite, ask clear questions, and check the salon's website for services and deals.
Practice these phrases, and you'll feel at ease in any beauty salon.
These expressions will help you enjoy your salon visit and look your best, no matter where you are.
Thanks for joining us on A Day with Lily. Keep learning and keep shining.
This was Echo English Moments. See you in the next episode.